Good afternoon. I'm here in Boise, Idaho this afternoon, and today we're going to go over battery maintenance and the importance of that during the winter season. To start with, you're going to have to get in here and remove your battery cover, and it's different for every truck. Once the battery cover is removed, you have access to your batteries all down in there. And what you're going to do is you're going to get you a 9/16 wrench or a socket and just go through and make sure all your connections are tight. Just tighten them all up. Make sure they're all tight. It takes a few minutes. Just go through and do them all. And then if you come across one that's got some corrosion on it, like that right there, what we need to do on that is the following. You're going to take the nut off. Very simple process. Take the washer off. Lift up your connector. Move it aside. Take your terminal post cleaner. Put it on there. Twist it around, it fits. Gets it good and shiny and clean. And then you want to take you a little piece of sandpaper and just go over the base down here that you couldn't get. Just go over the connection, clean it up, get all the corrosion off of that, just like that, and then go over your connector. Get it all good and clean and shiny. Do the underside. Do the underside. Rub it down a little bit. And then reconnect. Washer. And then your nut. And reconnect. Once it's reconnected and you've gone over all your battery connections, you should have a good connection. The importance of doing this in the wintertime is it will save you time and money in the future. A little bit of work now will keep you from being broke down on the side of the road or in a rest area because you have dirty battery connectors or terminals, and it takes a little bit of time, and it saves you time and money in the future. Some basic tools every driver should have is a socket and a 9/16 inch wrench, terminal cleaner, carry a little bit of sandpaper. Should be some of the essential tools you have. Stay safe out there. Get home to your loved ones safely, and we'll see you in February.